Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I am teaching about class 12th इंग्लिश। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th का इंग्लिश करने वाले हैं। इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर, जो कि एक प्रोस है जो महात्मा गांधी के द्वारा लिखा गया है। आज इनका हम ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। तो आइए सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन पे। इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर इज रिटन बाय महात्मा गांधी। Gandhiji was born in 1869. Gandhiji died in 1948. Gandhiji was more a spiritual leader than a politician. Gandhiji uh, d- dominated Indian politics during 1915 till 1948. Indian civilization and Indian civilization has kept it alive till now. Uh, we have borrowed many things from the West. My experiment with truth was Gandhiji autobiography. India's glory is that is remains immovable. Gandhiji had said the mind is a restless bird. माइंड एक आरामहीन पंछी है। मॉडर्न सिविलाइजेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द materialism, truth and non-violence. Truth and non-violence, the chief uh, weapons of Gandhiji. The Western civilization has a tendency of privilege, materiality, machinery makes us slaves, and we lose our fibre moral fibre। इसके बाद आइए 15वां नंबर क्वेश्चन है। वी हैव बीन copying waste since long. The Gujarati equivalent from civilizations means good conduct. Our both B and C set a limit our indulgences. Some of the intermediate and brilliant results of modern inventions and two marrying in racist is a line from uh, Indian civilization and culture. अब आइए 19वां नंबर। our forefathers did not invent machinery because the new we would become selves. Civilization points out to men the path of duty. इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर एक ऐसे है वी ए डजल बाय द material progress thus Western science has made. European civilization will mean ruin for India. Gibbon is associated with Italy. Our our ancestors enjoyed home. अब आइए 26 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है। These are rules of ancient Egypt. तो इसका जो आंसर है डी नंबर, Parahos. Mind is the restless bird is a statement by Mahatma Gandhi. The sentence the distinguishing characteristics of modern civilization is a indefinite multiplicity of wants to form. Indian civilization and culture. The sentence after all, there is something in Hinduism that has kept in alive till now is taken from Indian civilization and culture. The world famous Attic civilization is a Greek. Performance of duty and observance of morality are convertible terms. Nothing can equal the seeds snow by the authorities is from Indian civilization and culture. Indian civilization and culture is the real sense of turn. Coincides not the multiplication but is the deliberate at voluntary resist voluntary restriction of wants to form Indian civilization and culture. I believe that civilization India has evolved is to be written is the world's from Indian civilization and culture. Gandhiji died at hands of fanatic 30 जनवरी 1948 को जो उसका देहांत हो गया था महात्मा गांधी जी का. Our ancestors were satisfied with a small village. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all notifications.